Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to view benefits on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now, to view your benefits on your Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a tree line icon available for us. Tap on the tree line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear where you can see the benefits option available for us. Just above the settings, tap on benefits, and all of the benefits which you have earned from the Terabox app by continuing to log in or using the Terabox app, and also by continuing to do the task provided from Terabox app will be over here. You can see over here currently I have 50 coins over here, but in your case there might be more, and this is the place where you'll be able to view your benefits on a Terabox app. And guys, this is how to view benefits on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.